Hi, my name is Shane Rosario. I run WeAreObservers. We run photography workshops focused on the community. We currently run a workshop program with Randwick Council, and we've called it Reframe because how you see the world impacts how you care for it. It's a community-focused workshop where we teach participants technical skills, but more importantly, we layer that on top of the fundamental dynamic of photography, which we believe is observation. What the participants do in our workshops changes month to month. We have a 4-month cycle. Each month we focus on incrementally moving their knowledge from one step to a slightly higher step. For example, we start off running a very basic fundamentals. We introduce them to their phones, the settings, how they actually interact with their phones, teach them good habits, and then we move on to composition. We have a macro workshop, we have a creativity workshop, and we have a presentation workshop, printing books, printing calendars, printing prints to give away. Could be gifts, could be to sell. A lot of people are really appreciative to learn, and when we show them how to actually control their phone and master the technical aspects and also introduce them into ways of thinking about photography so that they can actually take photos that are closer to who they are, their expression becomes more distinct and unique, as well as the social dynamic introduces them to other participants who are at their same level. So socially it builds their confidence in photography, and it also makes it fun because we have repeat participants and they see each other every month, and it becomes a little bit of a social learning experience for them. Participants love this style of teaching. I think maybe it's because they haven't had any exposure to this style where there is a layer beyond what it means to technically take a good photo. What we've found is participants are very enthusiastic to go away and put into practice what we've shown them. So there's an active participation in the practice of photography beyond the workshop itself, which is what we've always wanted to happen. A lot of workshops engage the participants while they're in the workshop. I think the true test is to see participants utilizing what they've learned in their photography practice outside the workshop. For example, since we've introduced macro photography, some of the participants have gone off on their bushwalks or their hikes or their travels and taken amazing photographs of flowers, petals, insects, and it's work that they would not have done without having done that macro workshop. So I think in that context, it's introduced them to not only a new genre of photography, but a new appreciation of the natural world. I think this kind of program appeals to many different sectors of our society. I think councils can use it, schools can use it, photography clubs can use it. Anyone interested in creativity can utilize it. The Reframe mini course has had a positive impact on the community group who come to the Randwick workshop. We have a WhatsApp group that they use to connect with each other. They can post pictures and share their questions and queries. It's an ongoing learning curve, and they learn from each other. They sometimes answer each other's questions. There's also a social dynamic which unites them as creative, and so they have this rise in confidence about their skills. And when you become confident in the creative process, it spills over into your personal life as well. We've been running these workshops for a number of years, and we have a number of ways we can actually structure these workshops to bring value to the particular community we're running them for. And all of these workshops allow the photographers to connect with each other and tap into their own creativity.